Paige and Justin are in the back. And Don and I just bought Paige a car.
Shut up.
Okay, Paige bought a car, and we're gonna go pick it up, do the paperwork, and we're gonna be a good time. This is her third purchase they've ever done with a vehicle. She's also moving out, so it's a celebration day. We're celebrating that she's moving out soon, and she's getting a car, turned into a big girl today.
Yeah. Well, just because that's on it, right?
Do you think it's lower?
I think it's lower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it locked right now? I'm gonna lock it.
The button, no. That locks it.
I pressed it.
Do it again. Now you press this to lock.
Oh.
That to lock, and then put your hand on it. Do it again. There you go.
Yes. My Mustang did that. Keys? Yeah.
Yes.
I would.
Here you go.
Yeah, because every time I'd go up to the Acura and try to open it, and I'm like, oh my god.
Oh yeah, it's just like your Mustang kind of.
Yeah.
Now, he left all the that lighting stuff. They were gonna disconnect it.
They were?
They were, but I left it on there.
Okay, cool.
But it's not where it's supposed to. They kind of they put it underneath there, so it's not set up. You still have to attach it wherever you want to attach it.
Okay. Cool.
They left the wiring for the sub.
Yeah.
They were gonna rip it out.
I know. He told me, and I was like, oh, I think it's okay. But.
You gonna sit down or anything?
I love it so much. Sure.
Yeah. Dude, that goes way up.
Yeah.
Jeez. You see that? How high it goes up? Well, you know, for those Lido roads.
So, that's your side.
Is it working?
Oh, it is. It's lovely, babe. It's a little pressure points, but not too horrible. Thank you for that.
That's just, there's like 9 different settings.
Is this in the other ones too over there?
No, just this. Just the advanced, yeah. See all the funky lighting?
Where?
Are you sure you want that Civic thing?
Oh, it's got orange lights and...
Well, this is $77,000, Mom.
See, purple. You can see even down here in the speakers.
Yeah, it's on the sides too. Look at the sides right there.
That's so cool.
Oh, and the speakers, yeah, the speakers are there.
And you'll do this while you're driving?
What?
The massage? Dude, we could take this on a road trip.
What do you think about the crawfish, Paige?
It's really good, actually.
First time eating crawfish?
Kinda, yeah.
Mom took about a lot.
I've eaten like 3.
And Mom's eating the rest. Are you full down, son?
Yeah, I'm done.
Eat more.
I'm good.
Dude, we have a lot left, bro. And I'm not gonna eat that because it's like
I'm gonna eat it tomorrow.
it's death in a bag, and I feel bad for the guys. What? We had to pick these guys up.
You don't feel bad for the cows?
No.
That we eat?
No, I feel bad for these little crawfish guys.
These are bottom feeders. They're mud bugs.
You're a mud bug,
They're fine.
I guess. What do you think, though? Good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Ew. It is a lot of work, and my little fingers hurt.
All right, I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Even though it's a few days later. It was Ian's birthday a few days ago, and so we went to the air show, and it was a good time. It was fun. So here's a clip from that. But first, I've been trying to get the pool like super clean, like every day. Even when it's like 50 degrees outside, I'll be cleaning, making sure it's clear. And then now that it's starting to get hot, it's hot as you know what today. So the pool, hopefully, it looked clear earlier. It was a little foggy yesterday. It pissed me off. I put some special chemicals in. All right, looks a little better. You can see right here. You can see the bottom at least. So, a couple more cleanings. All right, the pool's looking better, so that's a good thing. Let's check out the air show. Let's go. All right, the wife is about to be home. I'm making some dinner, something I saw on TikTok. We'll see how it turns out. Got a couple of goodies for the wife when she gets home. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. And we will see you next Tuesday, hopefully. Tuesday, I'm trying to do a video every Tuesday now. We'll see how that goes. We'll see you there. Hi, honey. I have gifts. Gifts. And also, I have this order for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can't take this out. It's too big.
That's what
I
she
gotta
said.
go to the box.